it's Karen with Happily Planning with Karen, and today I've got some happy mail and I feel dreadful. I have had this for about 6 weeks now and I haven't opened it. I haven't had the time to do it justice, so I'm doing it now. So some of these are Christmas stickers and I'm very aware of that, but I want to show you the quality. I want to show you what items are in this particular small shop, and then I want you to go over and check out all the new releases. So this is some happy mail from my friend Ohellorobin, and Robin and I have known each other for how many years is it? We don't want to admit to all those years, and we've been together in Florida, and she's amazing and she's so talented. So I'm ripping the cord. I haven't even opened it. I mean, shameful of me. Okay, let's have a look. So this is what it says. Oh, look. So these are all the I feel dreadful now that I haven't shown you these, but these are all the Christmas planner cover options that were available in the shop. I'm not sure if they're still available, and then that is the website just there at the bottom on Etsy, and this will all be linked in my description box down below. And she sent me this. It's beautiful. Oh my word, it's beautiful. And she's made these. She's incredibly talented. She's got her own Disney channel and she's got her own Facebook group, and they will all be linked in the description box down below. But look at this. Look at this cover for Christmas. It is outstanding. It's punched. It's for the Happy Planner. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh my, look at this. This is going to go on my work planners because I use Happy Planner for work. It's what I store all my photographs in. So this is just perfect. It's got the black and white plaid on the back and it's got that on the front. Robin, it's amazing. Go and check her out. I don't know if they're still available. I don't know if they're in the shop still, but if not, I'm guessing she's got some other ones there because, yeah, these are amazing. I can't believe you've made these. These are fantastic. Look at it. I mean, seriously, for a planner cover. Couldn't be any more perfect, could it? And then stickers. So it says in here, let me bring it up so you can read it yourself. And it says, Happy Holidays, the new Christmas collection of planner goodies is filled with fun and some whimsical stickers and planner covers with 9 options to choose from to make your planner or journal dressed up and festive this holiday season. Highlights: removable sticker paper, easily repositionable, matte finish, easy to write on with any pen, planner cover fits classic Happy Planner, and there was 15% off orders through to November the 15th. That's how long I've had this. I hope you enjoy this Christmas collection as much as I do. Thank you so much for your support. XOXO Robin. She's incredibly talented. And let me have a look at this. And I think this was her second cycle when she sent me these. I had the first one and I've linked those stickers and I did a video on those. So let's put it down here and let's zoom in so we can really see them and see the beauty of these stickers. So let's position it. There we go. So you've got fa la 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 la. They're beautiful. If you do memory keeping, this is ideal. Or for next Christmas. Wow, wow, wow. Look at these. I love all the red trucks for Christmas with the trees. I don't know what it is. To me, it just symbolises America and Christmas. And it's not something we really do over in the UK, but in America, it's just, yeah, I can see Chevy Chase or, what is it, Christmas with the Crank? No, it's not. It's, the one with Sarah Jessica Parker's husband. Oh, what's it called? Not Christmas with the Cranks. The other one I love. It'll come to me. It'll come to me. Look at these. Christmas tree farm for when you go and get your own trees. Look at all the different ones. You've got pine ones. These are beautiful. They're beautifully cut. It's on beautiful paper. It's a real buttery paper. Oh wow, look at these. Can't believe, because we were so busy, I didn't have a chance to show you these. I am so sorry, Robin. But don't let it put you off. Go and see what her new collection is for this new year. Look at these. You can imagine Santa climbing up those little ladders, can't you? I mean, look at them in the houses. Oh, and your dog's in the jumper and your cats. Oh, I really like that one. Sarah, the admin in my Facebook group, she would love that one. Yeah. Yeah, Leah, that looks a bit like Baloo, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Then you've got your boxes, and they've got deco on as well. I mean, look at these. And the saturation of colour, they are so saturated. It's a matte removable paper, and yet the colour saturation is terrific. It's terrific. So you've got your 3 lots of boxes. So you've got your black, your red and your green, which matches the planner covers that she had. I'm hoping she still has them. But if not, I know, Robin, and there'll be different ones for you to choose. This is beautiful. And this is a new shop on Etsy. Go across and give us some love. Please go across and give us some love. These stickers are tremendous, and I feel shameful that I didn't have a chance to come on here and do this video to show you. Robin, they're beautiful. Utterly beautiful. It's like proper Christmas stickers. Does that make sense? Oh my, look at that. Go and show us some love. Go across. I'll put all the links down in the description box down below, but please go and say hello for me so I don't feel dreadful that I didn't show you these before Christmas. But thanks so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell coming at the end of the video. But more importantly, please go across and say hello to Robin for me. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.